Welcome to beautiful Ausable Bayfield conservation watersheds. Way back in 1946, local municipal councils, working with the province of Ontario, identified the need to conserve here on a watershed basis. They had the vision to create Ausable Bayfield Conservation Authority, or ABCA, Ontario's first. This watershed is more than 2,400 square kilometers in size. More than 45,000 people live here. The Ausable and Bayfield rivers drain some of our watersheds, so do Park Hill Creek and Mud Creek. Streams in lakeshore watersheds drain directly into Lake Huron. We don't improve this watershed area on our own. Our success is thanks to you, landowners, residents, community groups, municipalities, departments and ministries, foundations, donors, funders, and other community partners, volunteers, and citizen scientists. We work in partnership with you to enhance wetlands, build soil health, protect water, and increase forest cover. To protect life and property, we provide flood forecasting and warning, and help to keep development outside of the most hazardous areas. To reduce stress on water resources, we provide low water and drought response. Thousands of people connect with nature and get active at our conservation areas and trails. We provide technical advice and grants for your stewardship projects. Conservation educators help to grow the stewards of tomorrow. Local landowners plant tens of thousands of trees each spring and autumn. Donors give generously to their watershed community. Volunteers donate their valuable time. Thank you for all you do to protect life and property, to conserve water and to protect water quality in creeks, rivers, groundwater, and Lake Huron, to build soil health, to plant trees, and to add forest cover, and to create habitat for all living things. If you have seen the benefits of one tree or one windbreak or one cleaner creek or heard the songs of birds and trees, then you know we can make a difference together. As you look at some of the towering, mature trees today, remember that many of them started as seedlings planted by your neighbors in your community. Monitoring matters. It tells us where things are getting better and where they're getting worse. It helps us to identify areas needing protection. It alerts us to instances where there is degradation of the resource. Monitoring tells us where to concentrate our limited resources, and it helps us to evaluate, to know what actions we should continue and which actions we need to do in a new way. How can you learn about forest conditions and water quality in your community? Read the Watershed Report Card at abca.ca. Click on the interactive map to find your local sub-watershed. The Watershed Report Card shows challenges facing our forest conditions and water quality. It also shows successes and provides direction for the future. To find out more about Ausable Bayfield Conservation, visit us at abca.ca or phone us at 519-235-2610 or toll free 1-888-286-2610.